Journey into the world of compound prepositions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our exciting journey into the heart of English grammar. Today, we're diving deeper into compound prepositions, with a specific focus on their role in expressing cause or reason. Prepositions are a crucial component of English language, and understanding how they work will bring you one step closer to fluency. So, what are compound prepositions? In simple terms, these are prepositions that are made up of two or more words. Some common examples include because of, due to, in spite of, and on behalf of. Compound prepositions serve a variety of functions, but today, we're specifically focusing on how they're used to express cause or reason. This is where they really shine by providing a link between the action in a sentence and the reason behind it. How exactly do compound prepositions express cause or reason? Let's break it down. Because of. This compound preposition is used to indicate the reason something happened. For example, they canceled the picnic because of the rain. Due to, much like because of, due to, is used to explain the cause of an event. For instance, the game was postponed due to bad weather. In spite of, despite. These compound prepositions are used to indicate that something happened or is true, even though something else might have prevented it. For example, in spite of the challenges, she completed the project on time. Thanks to. This compound preposition is used to indicate that something good has happened because of another action or event. For instance, thanks to his hard work, he passed the exam with flying colors. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. I'll provide a few sentences with blanks, and your task is to fill them in using appropriate compound prepositions. 1. The party was a success, blank, his meticulous planning. 2. Blank, the traffic. She arrived on time for the meeting. 3. The flight was delayed, blank, technical difficulties. There you have it, learners. Compound prepositions are a fantastic tool for expressing cause or reason in English. By mastering them, you will add nuance and depth to your language skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these compound prepositions in your daily English conversations and writing. Until next time, happy learning!